Hello everyone. In this class, we will be exploring some other graph on Power BI. How to plot like a pie chart, bar chart, such kind of things we can explore it. Today, we can go with the pie chart. Okay, so let's open the Power BI desktop. So I'll just open the previously, which I have done some things. I'll just open the same record, or you just can go with the blank report. Okay, I'll just open the existing file. So last class, I guess I have some plotted some graph, maybe stacked bar graph. Okay, so here you can see we have plotted, yes, this one, stacked bar graph in the last class. So today we can explore about some other graph like a pie chart. Okay, this one I'll make it as stacked bar chart. Okay, then I'll go with the pie. This one, donut, not donut, pie chart. We can go with it. So for that, I'll just rename it as a pie chart. Pie chart. Okay. So if you want to plot after doing analysis and all, if you want to make a report using a pie chart, okay, then just select the pie chart. So just tap on it. Okay. So you can place wherever you want. I'll just expand this one if you want, enlarge. Okay, so according to that, this format pane will be get changed. Okay, so here you can see format option is there, right? It will be getting changed. So if I enlarge this one or resize it, okay, here height and width will be getting changed. You can notice that. So again, it got changed. Okay, so this is the positioning, horizontal or vertical, like that. Okay, you can see here 222 32 vertical, like that. You can put it whatever you want. Okay, this is how visuals, in case of visual, it will be getting changed. Even the properties also will getting changed when I add the data here. So I'll just take okay, class. Okay, class wise, how many people got survived? I'll just get the count. Okay, if you want other option also, you can do it. Okay, legend. So here if I turn off, okay, no, this is shadow. Where is legend? Here. So that legend part will be disappear here. If I turn on again, it will be coming back. Okay, so this is class wise. Okay, this is class wise, how many people were there. So I'll just get it as count. Okay, I'll just put it in the legend as a class. Okay, now you can see in the first class, this is the second class. Okay, sorry, this is the third class and this is the second class. In case of second class, around 200 people. Okay, sorry, not 200. I'll just take it as a count instead of some. Okay, now that looks better. So around 491, it means 55% of the passenger was traveling in the P scale. Again, I'm just taking the Titanic data set. It is nothing but some disaster was happened in the Titanic ship got shrink, right? In that data we are analyzing how many passenger were traveling, such kind of things. Okay, so in that we will be checking that individual class like first class, second class, third class. Okay, in that third class, around 491 people were traveling. It means 55% of the passengers or belongs to this class. And you can see here second class, so 184, it means 20% of the passengers or belongs to second class. Okay, in the same way we can visualize the first class also. How many people were traveling? Around 216, and it will be like 24% of the passenger were traveling in the first class. This is how you can get numbers using pie chart. Okay, so if you want to change the background, you can change it. So according to this value, this background also you can change it. Okay, so according to the chart, the values and the features will be coming. Okay, I'll just again black, or I'll just want to expand the more color. Okay, towards the red, red and something green. Okay, this blue, no need. I guess I'll put it like this. This one does not looks good. Okay, maybe I'll just go towards blue. Okay, yellow, orange. Okay, I'll just put it like this, whatever. I'll just go towards this. Okay, this one may be better or reflecting more. You can just choose the blue. Okay, if I choose the blue, it does not good. Okay, this one may be better. Okay, I'll just change this count. Okay, this one I'll improve it like 26. Okay, bold, I'll be making the bold. Okay, and alignment, I'll be just choosing the alignment as well. Center alignment, I can put it. Okay, then where it is here, the color, this and all not visible. I'll just make it expandable things. Okay. Okay, if I get back first, I'll just change these colors. Okay, so I'll just put it. Okay, now you're able to see the green color. I'll just make it some more bold. 26 bold. Okay, 26 is not good. Okay, I'll make it as 20. This looks better. Okay, then I'll put it as maybe this color. Okay, not good. I'll just make it as okay, like this. This is, and I'll just change the background color as well now. Background color, now you can see black. Okay, green, and more color towards green. Okay, this is I supposed to make the dark, then looks better. Okay, this one nice, and I'll just change this color as well. Okay, now this one may be better or may not be. Okay, so you can explore from your end. Okay, then you will get to know what kind of color you're supposed to use it and all like that. You will get idea about that. Okay, so according to this, you can change the text alignment as well as everything. You can change it. So if you want to change this one, just tap on it. According to this, it will be get open. Okay, if you want to change this color as well, you can change it. I'll put it as a white. That not good. Okay, and I'll just go with some light color. Okay, let it be, or some more color. We'll explore somewhat blue. Okay, blue is not needed. Okay, let it be like this. So this is how you can make a background color also changes. And even if you want to change the background color full out of the image, just tap on out of the image and just right click, format canvas. Tap on that. So here color will be coming. You can choose which one you want. I'll just choose, okay, red. I don't know whether it looks not good or not. So transparency, reduce the transparency. Then you will be able to see the appearance, background appearance. Okay. So again, if you want to change it, I'll just choose it. I'll make it as some light color, some more gradient, white. Okay, something, whatever you want, you can put it. Okay, you can explore which looks good or looks better. You can put that color. Okay, so this is how you can plot the pie chart using Power BI or inside the Power BI. Okay, I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.